This is Bill Murray. So say Bill Murray. He's one of our senior people at St. Paul's in Keysville. And it's a nice Cadillac. How many miles?
14,000.
And what year?
79.
A 1979 Cadillac with 14,000 miles. He keeps good care of it. Keysville church family. So we'll have a good week.
Try.
Znasaswa sound Zna Cadillac Pięk 14 mil. There's Norm getting the flags. There's Reverend Patty. Then you'll see his wife. A video. Here I got Bill. This is Kitty, the wife of Bill. Very dedicated senior members of the church. No, because Juan likes classic cars. So they've got other cars, but you know, the machine by the Cadillac. So, alrighty, from Keysville. They have a nice mural that they did. Alrighty, a beautiful Sunday. The 1st of May. Oh, they still have their winter tires. Nearby. Alrighty. Bye-bye. See you.